Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change language in mobile keyboard. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in my phone. Now I'll just tap on this Google and over here you can see here is my keyboard. Now to change this keyboard, just tap on this space over here and now go to settings, language settings. And now you can see here are two keyboards. Now to add keyboard, just tap on this add keyboard. Now you can select any language keyboard from here. For now, I'll go with this alphabet and done. And you can see I have added this keyboard. Now if I go back and again tap on this space and you can see his new keyboard over here. You can just tap on this and our mobile keyboard is changed. So in this way we can change language in mobile keyboard. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.